My name is Raven Reed, and I am a recent graduate of OMS. I decided to come to OMS because I already had a degree in broadcasting, but I really wanted to learn the technical side of the industry. So there was no other place that compared to this when it came to the hands-on learning. I definitely think getting my hands on all things Adobe was super beneficial to me. Coming into this, I had no experience with it whatsoever. And although I do want to be on air, I think it's invaluable to have those tools to know how to edit your own spots, your own videos, documentaries, and those type of things. My best piece of advice to people that are interested in doing this, just do it. I know I sat back and I was like, no way am I going to, be able to do that. I'm too old, that train has moved on, but you know what? I just kind of bit the bullet and I decided, why not give it a try? What do you have to lose? And I'm so thankful that I did. If there's one thing I can tell you about this career in this industry, it's never too late.